Hi friends, welcome to my channel Netaji Tally Education Center. So friends, in the last class I have explained about how to create the company, how to create the ledgers in Tally Prime. That is part 1 video. In part 2 video I will explain how to enter voucher entries in Tally Prime. Okay. So this is the assignment for your reference. If you want, please note this assignment. So the first question, Mr. Rajay started his business with cash rupees 1 lakh, computer rupees 50,000, furniture rupees 2 lakh 50,000, printer rupees 25,000, received as a capital. So cash account debtor, computer account, printer account debtor, furniture account debtor, to Ajay's capital. This is a receipt voucher. The proprietor invested capital on business at the time of starting the business. So go to Tally. So go to Gateway of Tally. Select accounting vouchers. That means vouchers. Press enter. So first transaction is receipt voucher. Select receipt voucher. Press F6. So this is the receipt voucher. So receipt voucher, it is showing credit entry first, contra, receipt and purchase. These three vouchers showing credit entry first. Payment, sales, journal. These three vouchers showing debit entry first. But you don't worry about it is showing whatever the entries. But whichever is debit, whichever is credit, you have to be decide and then select the particular credit ledger or debit ledger. So here first credit ledger, that is Ajay's capital 4,25,000 rupees. So Ajay's capital 4,25,000, cash 1 lakh, computer 50,000, printer 25,000, furniture 2,50,000. So this is the narration column. You can type anything in narration. For example, being capital introduced by proprietors. Accept. So next transaction, Mr. Rajay opening current account in Canara Bank and deposited rupees 1 lakh. Canara Bank account debtor 1 lakh, to cash 1 lakh. This is contra entry. I have already explained what is the meaning of contra. So contra means the transaction involved only bank and cash, not any other transaction. That is called contra voucher or contra entry. So select contra voucher, press shortcut key F4. So here also credit entry first, select cash. So type 1 lakh rupees and select bank Canara Bank. So this is the denomination details. 2,000, 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5 like that. So you have to mention here. So what is your denomination notes in 1 lakh rupees. Okay. And accept it. Move to next question. Received loan from HDFC Bank rupees 5 lakh by check. Canara Bank account debtor 5 lakh. To HDFC Bank loan 5 lakh. So this is also a receipt voucher. So whatever the sources coming from the outside, all the type of transaction is receipt transaction. So go to receipt voucher, select HDFC Bank loan. First select the receipt voucher by pressing F6, select HDFC loan. HDFC Bank loan 5 lakh. So Canara Bank 5 lakh. So type the check number accept. Received hand loan from Mr. Raju rupees 2 lakh by cash. This is also a receipt voucher. Cash account data to Raju's hand loan 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Same voucher. Select Raju's hand loan 2 lakh. Cash 2 lakh. Accept. So next question. Cash deposited to Canara Bank rupees 2 lakh. Canara Bank account data 2 lakh. Cash to cash 2 lakh. This is contra voucher. Select contra voucher by pressing F4 and select cash 2 lakh. Canara Bank 2 lakh. This is also a denomination. So move to next transaction. Goods purchased from Rakesh and Company rupees 5 lakh. GST at 18%, invoice number 8175. So purchase at 18% account, input CGST at 9% account, input SGST at 9% account to Rakesh and Company. So select purchase voucher by pressing F9 functional key. So purchase voucher, it is showing in invoice mode. We have to convert to voucher mode. So here check it in vertical column, change mode. Press this one, change mode. Select as voucher. Select as voucher. So now we are getting debit and credit. So this is number, invoice number 8175. 8175. Again type 8175. So that is default date. So purchase. Select Rakesh and Company. Credit entry first. Accept all these things. This is voucher mode. So amount is 5,90,000. New reference. See friend, here advance against reference, new reference on account. So advance means, suppose earlier you paid advance to supplier, then you can adjust advance option. Against reference, you have to select this option when you are going to making a payment to supplier. New reference, every purchase is a new reference. On account, at the time of quotation, when you send a quotation, so they are going to processing your products. That time you have to select on account. So here new reference. So debit purchase at 18%, 5 lakh. Input CGST 45,000. Input SGST 45,000. Accept. Now move to next transaction. Goods sold to Vinayaka Trading Company rupees 9 lakh, GST at 18%. So invoice number 67584. So go to press F8 for selecting sales voucher. So here also it is showing invoice mode. So click on other vouchers. Click on voucher mode, change mode. Select as voucher. Sales. Type the invoice number 67584. Select Vinayaka Trading Company. Accept all these things. So Vinayaka Trading Company 10,62,000. So here also select new reference. Every purchase, every new purchase, every new sales, it is a new reference. Select sales at 18%, 9 lakh. Output CGST, $81,000. Output SGST 81,000, accepted. So next move to another transaction. Withdrawn from Canara Bank rupees 50,000 and retained as petty cash. Petty cash account debtor 50,000 to Canara Bank 50,000. This is contra voucher. Press F4 for contra voucher. Select Canara Bank 50,000. Select petty cash 50,000, accept. So next transaction, received rupees 10 lakh by check from Vinayaka Trading Company. Canara Bank account debtor to Vinayaka Trading Company 10 lakh. This is receipt voucher. Press F6. Select Vinayaka Trading Company. The amount is 10 lakh. So here you have to select against reference because you are receiving the amount from Vinayaka Trading Company against 61584 invoice. Enter. Canara Bank. Select Canara Bank. Accept. So type the check number. Accept. So next one, paid rupees 4,50,000 by check to Rakesh and Company. Rakesh and Company account debtor to Canara Bank 4,50,000, 4,50,000. Select payment voucher by pressing F5. Rakesh and Company 5 lakh. Type 5 lakh. So here also against reference. You are going to making a payment against which number of invoice? So 8175 invoice number. Enter. Enter Canara Bank. Select Canara Bank. Type check number. Accepted. So next one. Paid labor charges rupees 5,000 by petty cash. This is also a payment voucher. Go select labor charges 5,000. Credit to petty cash. Accept. Next one, freight charge. Paid freight charges rupees 15,000 by check. Payment voucher. Select freight charges 15,000. Canara Bank. Type check number. So next voucher. Paid advertisement charges rupees 25,000 by check. Advertisement charges account debtor 25,000 to Canara Bank 25,000. So select advertisement charges 25,000. Canara Bank 25,000. Type check number. Accept. Paid electricity charges rupees 6,000 by check. Electricity charges account debtor to Canara Bank. That is also a payment voucher. Select electricity charges 6,500 and Canara Bank to Canara Bank. Type check number. So next, paid insurance charges rupees 10,000 by check. Insurance charges account debtor 10,000 to Canara Bank account 10,000. Payment voucher. Select insurance charges 10,000 Canara Bank. 10,000. Type the check number. Accept. Paid puja expenses rupees 2000 by petty cash. Payment voucher. Puja expenses 2000 petty cash. Next, paid petrol expenses rupees 4000 by petty cash. Petrol expenses account data 4000 to petty cash 4000. Payment voucher. Petrol expenses 4000 petty cash. Next, paid rent rupees 50,000 by check. Rent account data 50,000 to Canara Bank 50,000. Select rent 50,000 Canara Bank. Type the check number. So next one, paid salary rupees 75,000 by check. Salary account data 75,000 to Canara Bank 75,000. Sorry friend, here instead of 75 I typed 25, so make it 75. Salary account data 75,000 to Canara Bank 75,000. Type check number. Next, paid stationery charges rupees 3,500 by check. Stationery charges account data 3,500 to Canara Bank 3,500. Payment voucher. Select stationery charges 3,500 Canara Bank 3,500. Type the check number. Accept. Move to next one. Paid telephone charges rupees 2,000 by check. Telephone charges account data 2,000 to Canara Bank 2,000. Payment voucher. Telephone charges 2,000 Canara Bank 2,000. Accept. So next one. Mr. Ajay withdrawn from Canara Bank rupees 2 lakh for personal use. Ajay's drawings account data 2 lakh to Canara Bank 2 lakh. Payment voucher. Select Ajay's drawing 2 lakh Canara Bank 2 lakh. Type check number. So now we move to adjustment. Charge depreciation on furniture at 10% and on computer at the rate of 20%. Depreciation account data 45,000 to computer 20,000 to furniture 25,000. So this is adjustment entry. This is a journal voucher. So what is the meaning of adjustment entries? So these events are not happened in your business transaction, but you have to bringing them to our books of accounts. So that is called adjustments. So go to journal voucher, press F7 shortcut key, select depreciation 45,000 total amount, select computer. So computer depreciation is 20,000. So furniture 25,000 accept. So next adjustment, charge interest on capital at 5%. Interest on capital account data 21,250 to Ajay's capital 21,250. Interest on capital account data 21,250. Ajay's capital. Ajay's capital. Okay friends, so like this we have to enter vouchers in Tally Prime. This is a new version. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel without fail. Thank you.